Good day. Welcome back to another video, 506 Garage. Just a short one today. Had a few people ask about my setup on the back of the bike. They're Milwaukee Pack-outs, as you can kind of see. I just plasti dipped them black so they didn't stand out so much. Might do that top one as well. And then that way, like they don't look perfect. But that way at least I can put some Gooby Gone on it and remove it after if I decide I'm not going to use it for on this setup and I want to put it back on my actual pack-out roller kit that's over there. So anyways, just a quick view. This here's the cooler. As you can see, like I said, I didn't really paint it that great. I just don't want it red in the trail. I had it red in the trail and it's just kind of really bright. It doesn't match the bike. So that's the cooler. This is obviously the big container. Kind of what I put in here. Just a quick overview. So I put a blanket in for the wife in case she gets chilly when we're on the trail. The bike does have a heater in it, but I don't leave it fully enclosed for the fall, summer kind of deal. So if it gets chilly at night, she's got something to warm up on. And then I got ratchet, impact gun, saw, which I did a little demo in one of my videos. Other videos, tool bag, there's a roller bag. See here, air pump, strap, extra belt, scraper for the window, and this is actually proposed to the now fiance. Never took it out, so I could take that out. And then belt changing tool down here. So yeah, like I said, just throw the blanket in. Then I also have this one on the top. So tire plugs, a couple hose clamps, a couple random wires, seal kits, some push pins, etc. Some bolts for control arms and stuff, wire connectors, some small hose clamps, all that good stuff. So just kind of, basically I just got it, you're going in the woods, try to set up for potentially anything that kind of could happen. That's the plan anyways. Now we got. So yeah, that's what I use for the thin one. And then just to show you kind of how I got it set up. So I didn't buy a kit. I'm gonna pull them off. They just pull off. They're on the Milwaukee plates. So I'll just pull them off, set the camera down. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I got the pieces off there. Just set them down. So this is kind of what I got set up. Once you pull the pack-out boxes off, I went one step further because I don't want to drill down into my bed. Wanted something I could fully remove. So this is kind of what I got. Link Q kit from Can-Am. I got one here, one post back. So unclip those two, take this off. You can see I got a frame kind of built with the two links. Pretty simple, just out of HSS. And then the same with this one. I trimmed it down a bit. It's a half, so the other half's over on the workbench. So yeah, same thing. One here, and there's one in there. Take it off. Two piece HSS on an angle. And then the nice thing is, like I said, I didn't have to drill any holes in the bed. I also have, if you want to use the bike with nothing on it, it all comes off. It's pretty interchangeable if you want to wash under this because you got mud under it, etc., whatever. So set that back on, lock it into place, and same goes for this one. That was a little hard to get your fingers in. And then just this one's a little heavy to pick up with one hand, but anyways. So yeah, nice, solid. You can see the bike's actually shaking. Yeah. Anyways, so that's what I did. I know now you can buy kits that are CNC'd to actually fit. But I just took the Milwaukee Pack-out plates and made my own thing. Like I said, it's all removable. You don't have to drill any holes, which is nice. You get your bed back when you want it. So I've been running this probably 6 months now, since last fall. Haven't had any issues with it. Works great. If you want to know any more about the framing or want me to send you pictures or whatnot, just let me know in the comments below. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I just painted them plastic dip real quick. They're not the prettiest looking thing, but they look better than red stuck on the back of the bike. Anyways, have a good day, guys. Till next time.